Financial Responsibility Financial Policy Update, Training for NJDEPOnline.com. This video will explain how to use the NJDEP Online US Registration Service, specifically the Financial Responsibility Policy Update Service. This service allows users to update their financial assurance mechanism currently on file with the department without making other changes to the US registration. For example, if your insurance policy expired on January 1st, but you are not due for renewal until September 30th, you should use this service in the interim to update the department's records. This service will also allow you to update the financial assurance mechanism for multiple facilities at once, provided the mechanism is the same for all facilities chosen. To add your facilities, click Add Facilities from the My Workspace screen. This will allow you to add all of your facilities, allowing you to update all of your financial assurance documents at one time through the Financial Responsibility Service. From here, you can search either by facility name or facility ID number. ID number will give you the facility we're looking for quickly. There are various search options, but the first option, retrieve only those facilities that match the search criteria, will give you the most accurate results. Once you have entered the search criteria you want to use, click Search. Click the checkbox next to the facility you wish to add and click Add Selected Facilities. Alternatively, if you wish to add several at once, you can click Add More Facilities. Repeat this process until you have added all the facilities you wish to add. Your facilities have now been added to your workspace. You are now ready to begin your service. Click US Registration Services. If at any point you need to step away and come back to the service, it will be saved in your workspace. You can view the instructions and additional US information using the links provided on this page. When you are ready, click Continue. Choose the radio button next to Financial Responsibility Insurance Policy Update. Click Continue. Select the checkboxes next to the facilities you wish to update your financial responsibility mechanism for. You can choose as many facilities as you wish, provided they all utilize the same financial assurance mechanism. For example, if you are using an insurance policy, both of these facilities must be included in the same policy. Click Continue. The US facility name will be auto-populated. You can make edits if you need to. Click Continue. Select the applicable type of mechanism from the drop-down. This will generate the fields that will need to be completed based on the mechanism you choose. Here are the type of mechanisms that will be available for you to choose. They include federal, state facility, which should only be chosen if your facility is federally or state owned and operated and not subject to financial responsibility requirements. The financial test of self-insurance, which will require the self-insurance form to be uploaded at the end of the service. A guarantee, insurance, a letter of credit, local government bond rating test, local government financial test, local government fund, and local government guarantee, which all require the local government financial test of self-insurance form to be uploaded later in the service. Sump tanks only, which should only be chosen if the only regulated USTs at your facility are sumps and therefore do not require financial assurance, surety bond, and trust fund. The required information will change based on what you choose. When choosing insurance, the required fields will be your insurance carrier, the name of the insured, the policy number, the effective and expiration date, the limit of liability for each incident, the limit of liability in aggregate, the limit of defense costs, whether or not this policy includes multiple retroactive dates, and the earliest retroactive date listed in the policy. Enter the information according to your policy or other mechanism. If you need assistance when filling out these fields, you should contact your insurance provider. If you chose another mechanism and need assistance in completing the required fields, please contact your financial institution or CFO as applicable. Click Continue when complete. You will be brought to the attachment upload screen. Click Choose File and choose your insurance policy from your files. Wait for the green checkmark to appear under the status column. This may take a few minutes. Do not refresh the page. If you are using a different mechanism and need access to the appropriate form, for example, the Financial Test of Self-Insurance form, click the Forms Library hyperlink in the blue directional text. You will also have the option to add additional attachments. Choose the desired attachment type and click Add Attachment. A certificate of insurance or endorsement should be added if this is not included as part of your insurance document. Ask your insurance provider if you have questions about this. Click Continue. You will be brought to the certification screen. Certification is discussed in more detail in the annual renewal training video should you need further instructions on how to complete certification.